The six-lane elevated corridor on National Highway 66 at Porvorim has entered the final stage of construction with only one span remaining to be erected. The long pending project has made significant progress over the past few weeks, bringing it closer to completion. Once operational, the elevated corridor is expected to substantially reduce traffic congestion on busy Porvorim Stanch, ensuring faster and safer travel for thousands of daily commuters while enhancing connectivity along one of the Goa's most important national highways.